Welcome, engineers! Today we're exploring the Resistor Wattage Interactive Calculator, a tool that solves one of the most fundamental problems in circuit design, determining power dissipation in resistors and ensuring you select components with adequate power ratings. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown. This offers 6 calculation options: power from voltage and current, power from voltage and resistance, power from current and resistance, voltage from power and resistance, current from power and resistance from power and current. For our demonstration, we'll select power from voltage and resistance. Below that, you'll find 4 input fields: voltage in volts, current in amperes, resistance in ohms, and power in watts. There's also an optional field for resistor power rating in watts, where you can enter standard values like 0.25, 0.5, 1, or 2 watts. Let's work through a practical example. I'm designing a voltage divider circuit with a 24-volt supply. I'll enter 24 in the voltage field. My resistor is 470 ohms, so I'll enter 470 in the resistance field. I'll also specify that I have a quarter-watt resistor available, entering 0.25 in the resistor power rating field. Now I'll click Calculate. The calculator shows power dissipation of 1.23 watts. This immediately tells me my quarter-watt resistor is severely underrated and will likely fail or burn out. The power dissipation output represents the actual heat energy your resistor must dissipate continuously in your circuit. Here's a critical insight. Always select resistors rated at least double your calculated power dissipation for reliability and thermal management. Find the link in the description below.